Get a feel for the 2019 Dodge Charger. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Charger delivers all the power and excitement you want in a muscle car and the safety features and convenience you need for the daily drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why miss out on performance just because you need 4 doors? Get into the Charger and drive.